Hi everyone, myself Basavaraj here. I'm a co-founder and director of Vitlo Capitalist Advisory Services LLP. Today I'm going to speak about equity research and its significance to the investors as a whole. Let's understand what is equity research. Equity research is a detailed study and analysis of a stock or an equities. It may also include bonds and other securities. The person who carries this research is called equity researcher. He covers the information on economy, sector or industry and company specific information which is useful to the investor to decide on. The private equity investors who wants to buy a stake in a company, this information is going to play a very important role. Or a company which is planning to acquire another company, this information is very useful to evaluate the target company. In the same way, it is useful to the investors who want to decide about their asset allocation strategy into the securities. Now, let's discuss about the methods of equity research. Basically, there are two methods. One is fundamental analysis and second is technical analysis. In fundamental analysis, basically the researcher going to find out the intrinsic value of a company, whether the company or a stock is overvalued or undervalued, by employing different tools and techniques. In the case of technical research, it basically studies the historical price movements to predict the future price of the stock. When it comes to a fundamental research, let's understand what are the steps the researcher does follow. The first step is the researcher is going to study the major macroeconomic factors. It could be inflation, it could be a government policies, it could be any information which affects the whole economy. Next, he studies about sector. He will analyze the sector's advantage to invest and the factors which affects the sectors in detail. In case of sectors specific, he also compares different sectors and he will make an analysis which sectors to pick up at the current moment or maybe going forward down the line, maybe 2 or 3 years or a 5 years period. So in this way, you'll be able to pick the right sectors and covers, generally speaking, it covers healthcare sectors, oil and gas sectors, financial services sector, mining, entertainment, media or reality sectors. So it will be, you will basically study about specific sectors, strengths and its weaknesses to invest. Then you will study about the company specific factors, analyzing the profit and loss account and balance sheet of the company. In particular, he also values the company by predicting its cash flows and for the next 3 or 5 years. So understanding the metrics of the profitability, he also goes deeper aspects of return on equity or return on capital employed, and on valuation factors he also studies the price earning of the stocks. So basically he prepares the reports after doing all this analysis and present it to the investor. Now let's talk about what are the importance of fee-based research. The fee-based research is very important in the economy and as a stock market tool. Here, generally what happens, the Wall Street companies or large broking houses do research few stocks or companies so that the investors do miss the other opportunities which are behind the few stocks or companies. That's where the fee-based research will come in. In case of fee-based research, the researcher covers most of the mid and small cap as well as large cap stocks. If you look at the Indian stock exchanges today, there are more than 4,000 listed companies which are trading. So it basically makes advantage for the investor to look at these stocks or companies which are missed by the large broking houses. Then let's come to a point wherein what are the advantages of a fee-based research in a stock market or investing scenario. Here the investor gets the information and inputs of the detailed analysis of the economy, sector and the company so that he can make a right decisions to pick the stocks. Also, the trader will get an inputs when to exit and when to buy and when to exit. And also, here the researcher looks at a detailed analysis rather than a promotional kind of a stuff. Okay, so here the researcher is going to play a very important role in the investing world, and the researcher also gets fees, not the equity of the any investor. So here the investors are going to get a undervalued stocks from all large, mid and small cap stocks, and they try to gain the advantage of it. So in all, the research or equity research plays a very important role for any decision to be taken by either investment banker or a private equity funds or a general investors who wants to evaluate their buy and sell decision of a stock. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe. If you like it, please share to your friends. Thank you very much.